Appleton Landmark could have a new owner. The Radisson Paper Valley Hotel went up for auction with the final bid coming in at $17.6 million yesterday. That bid could have a big impact on the future of a possible exhibition center in Appleton. Fox 11's Alex Rinaldo has more.
This is where Appleton hopes to build an exhibition center. The parking lot is currently owned by Allegheny County and sits behind the Radisson Paper Valley. The county has approved selling the property to the city for $2 million. The city's Common Council still needs to approve the deal.
It's important to seal a deal on the property, but it's also important to get this right.
The council discussed the land sale Wednesday during closed session, but did not put it to a vote.
There's a lot of moving parts still happening. You know, they just had a bid, an auction today on the hotel.
Mayor Tim Hanna says the future of the hotel is directly tied to the current exhibition center plan. He says the center would be physically connected to the Paper Valley and the city would need the hotel to manage it.
We have to have an agreement with the owners of the hotel, whoever that ends up being, in terms of managing that facility. That agreement is very important to really remove the risk of the day-to-day operations of that from the city.
The hotel is currently owned by a group of investors that bought it last year. It's unclear who put the final $17.6 million bid in Wednesday during the online auction, or if that bid has been accepted. Allegheny County lists the property's market value at $15 million.
When we sit down to negotiate those terms, we want to know that we're negotiating with the people who are going to own that facility.
Hanna tells us those negotiations are just one piece of the puzzle to making the exhibition center a reality. He says the city will also need to find investors and raise the room tax rate to go ahead with the project.
So we need the cooperation of all of our neighbors in terms of raising the room tax to be able to pay for the construction of that facility.
The mayor says there are more steps left before a final timeline can be mapped out. In Appleton, Alex Rinaldo, Fox 11 News.
The Common Council is expected to discuss the land sale at its next meeting in 2 weeks.